Are you spending hours creating lesson notes, revision materials, quizzes, and student resources? What if one AI tool could help you do all of this in minutes? In this video, I'm going to show you powerful ways we can use Notebook LM, from creating notes and flashcards to creating quizzes, podcasts, and video summaries. Let's see how. Open your browser and type Notebook LM in the search bar. Click on the official Try Notebook LM link from Google. Now sign in using your Gmail account. Now let's create our first notebook. Click on Create New Notebook. Give your notebook a meaningful name based on your lesson, subject or project, and your notebook is ready. We first need to provide it with source material. For this, click on Add Source. Here you can upload your documents such as lesson plans, PDF, research papers, etc. Once the file is uploaded, Notebook LM reads and analyzes your content, turning it into an intelligent knowledge base. Now that our source is ready, let's explore the first powerful way you can use Notebook LM. In the prompt window, type your instruction as shown on the screen and wait for Notebook LM to respond. Within seconds, Notebook LM has generated exactly what we asked for. Key highlights from the content, important areas to focus upon, recap questions for both average and advanced learners, and an engaging starter activity. This helps us save planning time while ensuring that learning is differentiated, purposeful, and engaging for every student. Now let's explore another powerful feature, creating mind maps for quick recap sessions. On the right pane, click on the option Generate Mind Map and allow Notebook LM a few moments to process the content. And there you go, the mind map is ready. Click on it. You can use options like Expand All Notes, Zoom In and Zoom Out to explore the content in greater detail and get a clearer visual understanding of the concept. What's even more useful is that the mind map can be downloaded exactly in the state you see on the screen, whether all branches are expanded, partially opened, or collapsed. This makes quick recap sessions more interactive, organized, and meaningful. Now let's explore how we can create an explainer video. On the right pane, click on the option Video Overview. Here, you can either allow AI to automatically generate a video based on your uploaded source material, or you can provide your own custom prompt to create a more targeted explanation. Once generated, Notebook LM transforms your content into an engaging visual explanation that makes complex concepts easier to understand. This feature can be especially useful at the end of a lesson while concluding a concept, reinforcing key learning, or providing students with a quick and effective revision resource. Now let's see how the final video has been created. It provides a clear, engaging, and visually rich explanation of the concept, making learning more interactive and meaningful for students. And the video can be easily downloaded as well. Now let's explore another powerful feature. On the right pane, click on the flashcards option. Here you can provide the required inputs if you want a customized set of flashcards, or simply go with the default setting. Click on Generate and wait for the magic. Within moments, you get your ready-to-use flashcards based on your source material. Now you can make your classroom more interactive, engaging, and learner-centered. Now it's your turn to explore the quiz feature in Notebook LM. Try creating your own quizzes based on your classroom content, experiment with customization options, and see how well it supports your teaching needs. And do let me know in the comments, was it helpful? I would love to hear about your experience. Thank you for watching.